Well, the day is finally here. We're all ready to go, ready to pack this baby up, get it on the trailer, and bring it over to Tom's house. Let me give you a quick look what we got going on here. Took some trailer jacks, welded them on the frame itself. Each of these jacks good for about 1,500 pounds, so that should be good. Gonna lay it down on there. We tried it already once and it rolled just fine. Got a couple on the back, and the objective is to roll that baby right up on there, secure it down, and get this thing over to Tom's house and get the ball rolling finally on this build. Stay tuned. Jeep is all loaded up on the trailer, ready to go. Just gotta take it nice and slow and get there safely.